Guys, I did it! I got a boarding group! I'm so excited that I got a boarding group. My hand's literally shaking right now because I was so nervous. There it is. Oh, it's gonna look like that because of it's a screen. But we are group 94. They're currently on 54, 64, and we board in 170 minutes. So I'm so excited. We are gonna ride Guardians of the Galaxy today, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me since I did it for my preview. But we're gonna go along, and hopefully it doesn't rain. So let's go ahead and get on with our Epcot day. Hey guys, what is up, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Morgan and I'm a 6th grade math and science teacher who loves all things Disney. And on today's video, we are going to Epcot to see if we can ride Guardians of the Galaxy. It is the Saturday that it opened, May 28th, so it opened yesterday, was the first day to the public. I already went for my annual pass holder preview back on like May 8th, so like 20 days ago, and we're back because it is the first day that all guests can ride, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. If you want to see the annual pass journey, preview journey, you can go to my Instagram. I'll leave it linked, I'll leave it right here, and you guys can check the stories out there. So this quick little story, this morning I did not get it. I don't know why, but it like crashed on me right at the time. It like wouldn't let me go in, and then it doesn't let you buy. So they do have Lightning Lane that you can buy, but it doesn't let you buy it if you are not staying at a Disney resort ahead of time. You have to wait till you get into the park or until the park opens. So I was lucky. I was not lucky that I could not buy it, but I did get the virtual queue at 1 o'clock. So we're gonna go ahead and get this day started, and I'm gonna show you some of the merch that I found at Creations. So we are here at the Creation Shop, and we got all the pins, which of course y'all know. We got an I Am Groot, Novastar with the Guardians. They got so many different ones. Woo, it's gonna be hard to choose. Nova Corps. All these are pins. I'm definitely getting this Groot one. And then we have some of the t-shirts. So we have this spaceship t-shirt, some hats, some fanny packs, some kids shirts. We also have these mugs, coasters, frames, more mugs, and notebooks and blankets. We have this water bottle. Sorry. Have this awesome sweatshirt. The hat and the tank top, which I may be getting, because on the back, look at that, Guardians of the Galaxy. Oh, so cool. Ooh, they got the quill jacket, Nova Corp shirts, and they got the symbol on the sleeve. Nothing on the back there. We got Nova Corp's hats, a long sleeve, but who's gonna buy a long sleeve right now in this heat? This looks like a kid's shirt, almost. Yeah, I'm gonna say kids because it's pretty small and that's a large. We got these cute little Groot things that kind of have the eyes poke out. Ooh, so cute. More kids shirts and cups. We also have these flat brim hats with all the Guardians that are on the ride, at least. They have this water canteen. We have Quill's mask here. We have another cool tank top. We got some swords. Ooh, a nice little cute baby shirt. And a wallet with all the Groots. I Am Groot wallet. We got some planters, a little dancing, singing Groot. They just have all the things, guys. Just all the things. Well, I'm gonna shop. That's most of what's here, it looks like. This, I don't know if this is Loungefly or no, it's Disney Parks. It's $40. They also have this Cosmic Rewind cassette bag. This is super cute. I might get this as a little side bag. Super adorable. Love that. Now, why this is with the Cosmic Rewind stuff, I have no idea, but they have Loki headpieces, chalices, and shirts. You can get the 6 Infinity Stone pins. They have a whole Nova Corps. Oh, I guess he's one of the Nova Corps that they rescued. I don't know. The Nova Corps shirts. On the back. And they even have these little mini Nova Corps die-cast vehicle things. And these ride vehicle scooter looking things with Groot and Rocket. So lots of things to choose from. I am on my way to ride Guardians. Yay! My boarding group's been called. I apparently was one of the first boarding group in the afternoon, so luckily I get to ride it, and I'm here with my friends. What's up, guys? What's up? Our Paradise Falls. So we're all gonna ride it together, and I'm super excited. So let's go. So this queue part is unlike the queue from my preview. For the preview, we were all the way over there, and we were like zigzag, 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 all the way over there. Now it's just here that it's zigzag, so it's less in the sun, which I'm liking for virtual queue. So we will see.
There are so many wonders in our universe. You will discover more of them as you continue your visit here in the wonders of Xandar. We welcome you, Terrans.
Hey guys, just wanted to take a quick break to say make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel down below and leave me a comment as to what your favorite ride is at Epcot.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born at the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power is out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Sure, dear Mark. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now.
There's no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
When did we think that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship. That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime. I've been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not tricky at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got a Cosmic Generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where.
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to another time.
Why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's okay?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, you're no recording it for all that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. We broke the shelves to follow through the jump point.
Wait,
Boys, look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the Cosmic Generator back. Piece of cake. What?
There's she. Where's the she? The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was cake, now there's toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrence, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now.
Just got off the ride. Oh my goodness, it was so much fun. Love it. We got the Rockin' in September song, which I haven't gotten yet, and I loved it. We also got the very front, which was interesting. I would prefer the front over the back though, because then you're in the back for the launch, so you don't feel it as much. But oh my gosh, I swear they sped it up from previews, but it was so much fun. This is definitely my new favorite ride at Epcot, and you definitely have to come check it out. Now let's go and see what they got in the gift shop and see if it's any different from Creation. So we are about to go into Treasures of Zanzibar, which is the gift shop. Was not open on my AP preview, so this will be my first time going in. Looks like they do have mobile checkout going on, and the line is kind of long. It goes back there quite a ways, so I've waited about, but it's moving quickly, so I've waited about like 5 minutes. But we're gonna see if there's anything different in here than Creations. Hello. Good. How are you?
Magical.
I like your glove.
Yes.
I love that. That's awesome.
It's cool. It talks to you when you make certain fingers move.
Oh.
And when you come in, it has the 6 stones on it.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. All right. Here is the store. Oh my goodness. So we have these little. They have the Tesseract, the Infinity Stones, and then something down here that's more of the Tesseract. And you got baby Groot right there. Oh my gosh, love him. We have the Ether from Thor. Lots of different things here. An I Am Groot patch, the pin that we've already bought. A magnet set. Ooh, I might need a magnet set. I don't know. We have some more toys. Oh, Groot plushies. We have this adorable little mug. I didn't see this. Adorable. I Am Groot shirt. They have the Eye of Agamotto, an orb. The Tesseract, more Loki's scepter. You can buy his scepter along with his hat. They also have like more helmets and some chalices. Trying to get over here to the pins. So they have the Infinity Stones pin set. Some notebooks. They have these Zanzarian credits, which apparently are interactive in the queue. They have Nova Corp's mystery pin box with some different pins on there. They have a key to Disney. And then these are other things that are in those boxes. So they have the eye from Doctor Strange, Iron Man 4, the Tesseract.
Should I get this one or do you think?
They also have this cute, cool little toy, Yondu's headband with arrow. It's like that on, kind of stylish. They have the glove.
You'll wear it in the next
Excuse me. More of these masks. Ooh, they got a nice Nova Corps bag and some mugs. I haven't seen those before. Some more Zanzarian credits.
I thought it was a pin and a magnet.
Oh, dang it.
I know, I was like, that.
The pin mystery box is right over there.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. They have the t-shirt that we saw before. They have this awesome jacket. super cute. How much is the jacket? Ooh, it's $100. That jacket's gonna run you. Oy, oy, oy. Let's see some more pins. Ooh, sorry. So they have the Honorary Guardians pin. Oh, maybe I have to get this one. I don't know. Looking to see if they have limited edition pins. And then they have the retro line here, full of retro things, the water bottles, the pins, the shirts, the hats, all of it. They even have sticky notes that are Cosmic Rewind. They also have a keychain that's a mixtape, but they don't have the one I'm looking for, the thing I'm looking for, unless it's behind the counter. They have this huge Honorary Guardians metal badge. Includes collector. Holy, it's just a magnet though. They have more magnets over here. The pins. And more, and they even have a starter pin. Alright, that's going to do it for us here on today's vlog. I hope you liked Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Let me know down in the comments when you are planning to come and ride this amazing ride. And I will see you on the next one. As always, have a magical day. Bye!